Good afternoon. It is March the 16th, 2016. Time to wrap up another trading day. We came into the market this morning basically wanting to buy the 2000-2003 area. Then 90 to 95, that was buy 2. We had a sell 9 to 11, then 14 to 16. And our 9 to 11 trade was right here. And then our 14 to 16 trade was right in here. Then the market found support at 5, and we've traded up and out of there, and we're going to close strong. The trading today, V bottom and this B right here, and then the market just flat out died. It would have just chewed you up. And I think the best way to handle trading, and this one we know that we're going to have a range trade, is just say, support is 2,000. Resistance is 2010. I'm going to sell 950s. I'm going to buy 2050 and then just leave the market alone. When we don't have volatility, our trade setups that we use for the E-mini don't work very well, especially when we've got 4 to 6 points in a bar. So I mean, this is just chop. And selling against 2009 worked out pretty well, and you had to have the patience of Job to pull this trade off. And they did eventually get to 2000. So we've got a strong finish. We've got higher lows. The market is pointed higher for tomorrow. The easiest trade to see will be to sell failure to take out the overnight session high, the Globex high, whatever that might be. Okay, we're into the single print right here, so we've got this 2030, the spell from 2030. Then really you go all the way back up to 2075, and that's where we have it. So, and support probably 2000 right now, 2000, 2005, and resistance is 2020, 2025. Now we go to our next screen, the F2, to refine that call. And here's where the FOMC news hit the market. This is the rally that ensued. 2010 is around number 2005. The other, so our support's 2005, 2010, and our resistance is 2020, 2025. Okay, we've got news tomorrow. Jobless claims 270. The default number. Philly Fed minus 1.4. That could come in lower than forecast. Although the Empire Index did come up higher than forecast. Much higher by about 11 points. Current account balance minus 115. We're talking about, well, we only have government deficits of 500 or 600 billion bucks per year, but we consistently see current account balance deficits over 100 billion. So tomorrow it's called 115. LAI plus 0.2. Jolts don't have a guess for that, but the last time it was 5.6. And it probably won't play. And then natural gas inventories, probably minus 50. So the focus will be jobless claims and Philly Fed. LEI no longer plays because of interest rates being so low. So sell number 1, let them get stops above the high, will be sell 2020s, 2024s, and 29 to 34. Fed's just got to be tickled. The stock market is up, and we'll see tons of articles about why this can't be given the fundamentals, the deteriorating economic news. It just is. Last rotate down stopped at 12. We're breaking it out at 18, so 10 to 15 by 1. The buck to 05 by 2. The game continues. Central bank support for the markets is still holding us in there, and that's the game that they've played since March of 2009. G20 is all on the same page, and that's the only reason that the strategy is working, is because every central banker is playing it. Everybody's borrowing to support current government budgets more than they should be supported. Everybody, and if that doesn't work, they print money. Outside day in the 10-year, that implies trading range. Pretty strong market. The knob spread has come in quite a bit, so prime sell territory is going to be 28 to the buck, sell 1. Then 4 to 8, sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. And then 9 to 13. The E-mini does sell in the late hour. You're going to have to move the buy-ups to 25s or better. And you can see the knob spread has come in quite a bit, like almost a point. So sell 1 is going to be 27 to 31. Then 3 to 7. E-mini selling, we do not want any part of the short side of the market. On the buy side, 5 to 9. Yeah, that's kind of a stretch. Let's make it 9 to 13 for buy 1. And then buy 2 will be 1 to 5. Gold 1250, pretty round number. F1, higher low, higher high, quite a bit of range. I'd expect a pause day tomorrow. We went up to 62. Didn't see that late surge, so 60, 62. Imagine we're going to be a little bit higher, so we'll make it 63, 65. Sell 1 in London. Let it go a little bit higher than 69 to 71. Sell 2. 54, 56. Buy 1. Pretty aggressive. Pretty comfortable with the buy against 50, 49 to 51. Crude, another strong finish. We might make Nancy's 40 bucks after it's all. Nothing but bad news keeps coming out, and crude keeps rallying. Nothing but negative articles today on crude oil, and it still managed a very, very strong finish. So looks like we're going to at least retest the highs at 39. This screen favors higher prices. So 38.75. So 50 to 75 is where resistance is now. Sell 1, and 39, 39 and a quarter. Sell 2. The breakout came from 38, so 38 775.38 by 1. And then 37 1/4, 37.50 by 2. And last but not least, the euro. The euro had a good day today. I think it'll be sold in London tonight. Pretty strong close right there, though. Go higher into London and find a place to sell it. Maybe the next resistance above where we are right now. We get this high volume number at 1250. And we're at 46 right now, so prime sell territory is going to be this 1260 to 1275. So 1260, 1275. Sell 1. Then basically 90 to 113 even. God, I still can't read this thing as well as I used to. Get fouled up with all those longer, shorter bars, every other bar. On the buy side, last rotate down stopped at 112.03, so 112 even, 112.10 by 1. And then buy 2, 111.75. That's it for March the 16th, 2016. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.